Hey, what's up, everyone? How are you doing today? I'm hoping that everything good with you and with your work, your life, and everything around you. I'm also excited to start this short video just to briefly explain you how comfortable you could be with GitLab, building pipelines, especially without leaving web interface and without using any additional tools. Um, As you may guess, before starting, you should be registered on this website, but it's easy for me just to sign in because I'm already registered. So for the sake of this video, it's needed to create new repository. I'm going to choose blank one. I'm going to use name like this one is quite good, GitLab 101, which like quite well explain my intention. So it's also good for me just to keep it private and don't initialize it with README file because I don't have anything to add inside of the README file right now. You see how easy it is create repository, and you have bunch of options here for uploading the file, creating new file, or using any of these buttons to add like any well-prepared templates for you. Also, this button uh, gives you an opportunity to create YAML file, which will be like main file for your continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous delivery pipeline inside of GitLab. If you need any configurations with integrations, so this button for you, last one. And since this repository is empty right now, you'll see uh, good guidance to create new repository on your computer, then connect it with your GitLab repository or push some existing files from your computer or any other options of your choice. So for this video, I'm going just to create new file. It's also uh, like good to use dedicated button for creating pipeline. So I'm just going to create new. And you will see like good suggestions down the edit box. This is right uh, for me. Also, you will notice this GitLab logo. Okay, so how before starting, you will have an opportunity to choose from any of those templates depending on your project needs. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to create from scratch. Let's see how lucky I am to remember all of the all of the constructions. So I'm planning my pipeline to be to contain just like test, and if tests succeeded, I will go to the build option, and after that I will go to deployment. So those are my stages. I'm not sure why online editor is telling me that it's unable to parse content from GitLab CI. Okay, let's see. For me, it looks okay just to have stages at this place. Okay, let's see. And after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create jobs. So test job, and it will be stages. You see that my job also, no, like this one, I think. Stage would be test, and inside of the stage, it will contain section called script. I think so. Yeah, scripts. And inside of the scripts, I'm going just to echo something like hello from the like test job. Uh, I'm thinking about to commit this one because I'm just interested why I'm still having this warning in the beginning of my file. So why it's giving me the error? Oh, it's a warning or okay, let's see. Commit. Where is my like we see that my first pipeline failed somehow. Where's my jobs? Where are my jobs? Pipeline failed on the jobs. Test job config should implement a script or a trigger keyword script. So it means that I should go back to my files. I should go there. Yeah, this one gives me script. I can just copy and I can also use editor here in the section of CI/CD. It's called editor, and I'm just hoping that yeah, I'll see this one. So you can use lint for syntax checking, and it says validated renewal configuration syntax is incorrect. Jobs test job config should implement a script or a trigger keyword. Jobs config should contain at least one visible job. Okay, script stage. You see that lint um, suggesting me that validation is done and configuration is correct. It means I can go ahead and commit changes. And this time I'm anticipating that jobs, this one job will be successful. I can click, I can see the output, and I can see what kind of actions are currently being performed. In this job, I see that on the first line it's saying running with GitLab runner. Runner is some kind of processes inside of the GitLab, under the hood of the GitLab, which are handling all the needed actions described in the YAML file, so actioner. And we're going to see that on those lines, pulling Docker image from, I guess, from the Docker Hub or maybe from internal uh, image repository of the GitLab itself. Uh, so after that, we're seeing that's being run, creating fresh repository, checking, skipping Git sub model setup, executing, and this line from my job, which is echoing hello from the test job. So my job succeeded this time after my corrections. Thanks for GitLab linter. We can go back to my text and using this one, we can also set up build job. Build job. Inside of the build job, we're going to have one stage called build. Stage script. Script would be something similar to the previous one, but this time just echoing from build. Also, deploy jump stage. By using stage, we're just telling on GitLab that like the connection between like the I would say it's an order of running the jobs. First should be test, then second be build, and last one should be deploy. If we would like to change the order, we just change order here inside of the stages. And also deploy script, and in the inside of the script section, we're just telling GitLab what kind of actions we would like to have. In my case, we're just echoing from the inside of the each job, like deploy. We'll also see that configuration is correct from the lint standpoint or viewpoint, so we're good to commit. And we're seeing that checking pipeline status. We can wait just here, or we can go to the jobs and we will see that it's currently running. Any other information we would like to have a look here, and we'll go to just running, and we will see much verbose output from our pipeline. By default, as we're noticing, it's using a Ruby image, Docker image. Yeah, job succeeded. As we instructed GitLab in the YAML file, we're seeing output from each job, I think. Ah, no, it's for this, it's just echoing from the test job, you see. Next should be a build job. So we can go to pipelines, and we're seeing that currently test passed, build is being running, and deploy should be the last. If we go to the jobs, we'll also see in the different view, like deploy, build already passed, and this time deploy is running. If we can switch to pipeline, we see that deploy is running right now. We can go to the job outputs one by one. We already have seen the test output. We can go to build and see that we're echoing from the build as we directed in the YAML file. Let's see what's going on inside of the deploy job. Deploy job already succeeded. So, end of the video. This short video just show you how it's easy to start with continuous integration, continuous deployment, very basic level inside of the GitLab without using any other external tools. Thanks. Thanks a lot.